Fat, drunk, and stupid is no way to go through life, son.
I'm really sad. You know, this used to be the Delta House. And what we have here is the Oregon Foot and Ankle Center. It just kills me. All that's left is this plaque.
You guys up for a toga party?
Toga! Toga!
Mark Metcalf, and I played Douglas C. Niedermeyer, Sergeant at Arms.
You're all worthless and weak. Drop and
Give me 20.
Hi, my name is Tim Matheson, but you can call me Eric Stratton, Rush Chairman. Damn glad to meet you. Eric Stratton, Rush Chairman. Damn glad to meet you.
We tried every university we could in about 10 different states, and everyone turned us down.
They thought it was too rowdy, too rambunctious, too lewd.
No other universities would even dream of letting this kind of trash come on their campus. And the University of Oregon was the last hope.
University of Oregon president, William Beatty Boyd, when we finally sent him Animal House, he said, look, I don't know how to read a script.
He said, look, I don't know anything about movies. Go ahead and make the movie. And we filmed there.
The one stipulation that I remember was that we not identify that it was particularly the University of Oregon where Animal House was being shot. Of course, they've changed their minds about that.
My name is Martha Smith. My character was Babs, honey.
I think he's just dreaming.
I had been up for something else that I really wanted at the time for a soap on General Hospital role, actually. And I blew the screen test on that and got this comedy, this little college comedy. It was going to go right to VHS, I thought, you know.
My name is Bruce McGill. I played D-Day, guy on the motorcycle, flat top haircut, and the handlebar mustache. The cooperation of the president of the university to let us bring a real live horse into his actual real office. That would not have happened east of the Mississippi.
When they brought the horse in, it had on these hot pink knit slippers. It was like, whoa. The horse's hooves would have scratched up this beautiful marble floor.
Holy shit!
And could you get 3 dates for my friends?
The very booth of Belushi doing I'm a Zit, get it? And the food fight.
When it finally got going, it lasted like 15 seconds. And afterwards, there was like a meatloaf on the ceiling.
It was unlike any set I'd ever been on. We were outlaws up there doing this kind of outlaw movie. You know, it was way off the beaten path.
It was one of the funniest films that ever got made.
President Boyd at the University of Oregon, if he were here right now, I would say, ha, you up, you trusted us. No, I would say, hey, thanks. 40 years later, on your campus, they're still talking about this movie.
It's like the universe conspired to have it shot here. Can you imagine Animal House shot anywhere else? We can't.